Look at that fog.
Oh, I love. Oh, that's sweet, sweet. Yes. Yes. I approve.
I know in the beginning, now you really what he did. I go like that, jump like hard. I was like, I started
Terror Tram.
Oh, the front one? You're serving this up like chopped liver. That's the chopped liver tram right there. Oh my gosh. They're telling us the front row in the chopped liver car.
My name is Rachel. I'm going to be your spooky guide tonight. Our driver's name is Steve.
Hi, Steve.
Hi, Steve.
Go Teamsters!
Tonight we are celebrating 15 years of Blumhouse's Nightmare Fuel, the studio that redefined horror the 21st century with fan favorites like The Purge, Megan, and The Black Phone. Now, we're never going to see anybody again, so we are on our way. And before we depart, we need to go over some rules for your safety and comfort while aboard your tram. Please direct your attention to your screens. Oh, I'm so sorry, ladies and gentlemen. We seem to be having some technical difficulties. What's going on here?
My name is Megan, and I'd like to welcome you on board the Terror Tram. Great job. Terror. That implies someone or something that inspires fear. I guess that's me. We'll be underway in just a second, but before we depart, I need to go over some rules for your safety and comfort. Please remain seated at all times while the tram is in motion, keeping arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Did you know 30% of accidental amputations can be attributed to people sticking their arms out of moving vehicles? Just a fun fact. If you have any small children with you tonight, I'll really have to question your parenting choices. Please make sure that they are seated towards the center of the aisle, away from the tram gates. If you have an emergency of any kind, please pull the red emergency cord overhead, and I'll be back to assassinate you. Assist you. Have a great time, everyone. Surprise.
I am so sorry, everybody. No assassinations that I am currently aware of, yet at least. Sorry for the person in car one. You're next, though. I'm so sorry. Anyway, for a global technology company, you'd think we'd have better cybersecurity, and that Megan is able to not hack into our system. But unfortunately, Megan has hijacked the tram, and we are no longer in control. And it gets worse. Megan isn't alone. She scanned the neurotransmitters of every single person on board this tram, and now she knows exactly what you're afraid of, which means she is cooking up some serious Blumhouse nightmare fuel. Let's take a look at our screens.
That one.
Would you like to see a magic trick?
Just remember all that the Purge does. You don't actually believe that story, do you? After tonight, nothing will ever be the same again.
Don't make me drink that at all. Remember that time we tried to leave without saying goodbye? Someone's coming for you. Did you think our story was
I
over?
forgot. I think this believer was.
You should probably run.
Welcome back. Are you ready to start the show?
folks. Now here comes the fun part. Start gathering up your personal belongings, because that's right. This is pretty much as far as I get to take you. I pretty much hate dolls, and I think we have a special surprise cooking up over here with Megan.
Hi, me again. Just one more thing. This is as far as the tram is gonna take you. That's right, people. You're gonna have to get out and walk, which is really good for your cardiovascular system, but not so good for your chances of survival. I calculate that helps you
Oh, hey, Megan. Oh, slay, Megan. Ooh, slay all of these people.
Feet and legs. Can you start coming up?
The bitch is back.
Scary, man.
You want to see a magic trick? You want to see a magic trick? You want to see what you made me do? Look what you made me do. Look what you made me
Hey, look, there's a photo op with Megan, right? Heck yeah.
We're gonna do it.
We're gonna do it.
Megan over at the Hollywood.
We're gonna do it.
Is she gonna replay in the night? All right. Yes! That's what the people want! Thank you. Oh, look at you! Slay!
Thank you.
Keep slaying, make it!
But if it's dead,
Megan slayed us. I like this. Photo op number 2.
Right? Photo op number 2.
Photo op. I wonder if there's gonna be a picture person here.
That'd be great.
Okay, so we're gonna continue reaping and reaping. Oh, no, they're all waiting for us.
I know.
Let's get this party started.
Let's dig it. Dog bunny name. No, what? It's not fake and real. Oh, it's real.
Oh my God. Look at it.
Easy. Oh, Jesus. Man, so close to the face. It's Megan.
I'm not sure you fully realize your predicament. I'm not sure you fully realize your predicament. Simulation 1,000 times and it always ends the same way. You die. I've run the simulation 1,000 times and it always ends the same way. You die.
Not being serious, guys. Oh yeah, look at these guys. Good stuff, good stuff.
Terror at the end there. I love Terror Tram.
Good stuff.
We survived so far.
He's so funny.
So far.
Be careful.
Go on and
There's also room up in the front car.
You guys want the front car?
The jump liver gun.
The terror!
Welcome everyone, welcome back. Here are my pigtails. Welcome back everybody, just a reminder, stay seated. Keep your arms and items inside the vehicle. And we're gonna take you back to the park to experience the rest of HHN. But before we take you back, here's a look at the latest nightmare fuel from Blumhouse, The Black Phone Part 2.
POV. Whoa. What's going on there?
He's looking spookies.
No food, Mary.
I know I
We're
do.
heading to
Be
that
sure to
pizza
check
now.
out Black Phone 2 in theaters everywhere October 17th.
Good evening, citizen. If you're just tuning in, you're in for a treat. Our friends at Vault-Tec are showcasing a revolutionary new experience, unlike anything you've seen before. You don't take it from us. Hear it straight from one of our special volunteers.
Live the horror you love to watch at Universal Halloween Horror Nights, featuring Fallout.
Alright, everybody, that is a wrap. Thank you for riding the Terror Tram. And enjoy the rest of your time here at Halloween Horror Nights. Remain seated until the doors have opened. And watch your step as you exit the vehicle.